We were starting to make a difference, to create a hint of panic in those Soviet eyes. I was sure they were scheming something, and I needed to find out what it was. The easiest way was simply to ask. We learned that a Soviet commander was on the road heading north, without my permission.
Дурак ты эдакий. Освободи им дорогу.
Gotcha. Relax, Captain. Do you know who I am?
I assume you are the one who's been causing us so much inconvenience recently. Who sent you? The CIA?
No, I'm just a local boy. I was born here and I want to live here, without you and your murdering comrades. Do you understand me? Take the message back to your superiors, even to that Guba.
Surrender! Give up your weapons and go back to your homes, or I will have you all shot.
Big words, little man. We are much stronger than you think. Now, we're asking you, for the last time, leave this island immediately. Take the message to Guba. This is our last warning.
Sir, you'd better see this.
Please, you must help us. In our village, they captured men from Velka, and then they're trying to force them to reveal your positions. They killed Yuri Hodek during interrogation.
Yuri Hodek? We played hockey every winter, right? No.
What else?
I managed to escape, but they've got everyone else. And it might be that Soviets have found more about your plans from some of our people. Don't blame us. We have families, you know.
Peasants. I understand. You have families. I think we need to change our plans.
Let's go, we're running out of time.
Okay, you have 5 minutes. Stoyan, get ready with all your men.
Yes, sir.
One injured. All hold fire. All halt. Roger. All fall back into formation. Roger. All move to 185. Roger. Three ready. Soldier, 50. 10 o'clock, enemy, AT soldier, 100. 10 o'clock, soldier, 50. 3, Golf, Juliet, 5, 7, enemy, BMP, 100. All, get in, truck. Roger. Ready.
J to Fox.
Ready.
I have got the freed hostages here.
Return to formation.
They've told me the Russians have sent reinforcements from their base at Blata to the bridge area. Over.
Good job. Take the hostages to safety immediately. Everyone, you copy that? Ready to go? Okay, let's get to Blata. We should leave a little gift for the Soviets before we go.
2, ready. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Board truck. Roger. Return to formation. Roger. O'clock, enemy, BMP, 200. O'clock, AT soldier, 100. O'clock, enemy, AT soldier, 100. O'clock, enemy, officer, 50. 12 o'clock, machine gunner, 50. back into formation.
All units, this is Fox. We've taken the base. Well done. Out.
Where are you? 2, move to 0-0-5-4. Roger. One, ammo low. Ready. Roger. 6, waiting. Roger. 6, waiting. Two, driver, get in, truck. Roger. Waiting. 2, fall back into formation. Roger.